How to cut and trim a video in CapCut on Android. This tutorial shows you how to precisely cut and trim your video clips in CapCut using Android. First, open CapCut on your Android device and tap on New Project. After that, select the video you want to edit from your gallery and tap Add at the bottom right corner. From there, your video will now appear in the timeline at the bottom of the screen. At this point, tap on the video clip in the timeline to select it. In the next step, you will see a white border appear around the clip, indicating it is selected. Following this, to trim the video, drag the left or right edge of the white border inward to shorten the clip from either end. Once done, if you want to cut the video at a specific point, first move the playhead by sliding the timeline left or right to the exact point where you want to make the cut. From here, tap on Split from the toolbar at the bottom of the screen to cut the video at that exact point. At this stage, your video will now be split into two separate clips in the timeline. After this, if you want to remove one of the sections, tap on the clip you want to delete to select it. Once completed, tap on Delete from the bottom toolbar to remove it completely. Finally, once you are happy with your edits, tap on the Export button at the top right corner to save your trimmed video to your gallery. And that's it. If this CapCut guide helped you cut and trim your video, give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.